Hello friends, for our Bluetooth and Wi-Fi gate lock, okay, this is with facial recognition and palm wave, okay. So many clients met the issue how to set the temporary passcode. Now I already configured the Tuya Bluetooth and the Tuya Wi-Fi from my mobile, okay. This is ring the doorbell for the remotely unlock request. Okay, a moment. Okay, now you see, go to the notification and unlock from here. Unlock. So unlock is like this. This is working logical. It's like this. Okay, now it's locked. Even you, okay, this is the position. Okay, you see it's locked. So this latch keep in still. Okay, so how to set up from the temporary passcode? If Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then 2 page from the mobile. Okay. Okay, here you see this one is Bluetooth page and this one is Wi-Fi. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the Bluetooth page. So here you can see here is temporary. Okay, so go to here. So while you see the temporary passcode page from here, the first is custom, then second is time limited, the third is one time, and this is dynamic. And this is for clearing. So when we to set up the temporary passcode, the custom one is invalid. But for the time limited, you see this one. Okay, let me set up one time limited. Okay. Now you see I set up one time limited, and the time varied already from 2026 to 2027 yet, and the name is Y like this. So here let me to obtain. Okay, here you see this password, but use the time limited password at least once within 24 hours. Okay, now I screenshot this password and to be checked from the log. I already screenshot. So okay, you click here for okay. One thing important, because somebody will care about this is Bluetooth page. You see my Bluetooth. Okay, here is gray color. I already disabled the Bluetooth feature. So this is the offline to set up the temporary passcode from the Tuya Bluetooth page. But this temporary passcode we can remotely far away to use something you rent the apartment to other guests. So this temporary passcode you can share and they can use. So now I check this password. This one, okay. This one I just generate. Okay. Okay. It's 460202147 Okay. You see, it's unlock. You see, unlock. But now, when it after some seconds, it locked. If you locked, so you see, this trunk is locked. But you want more again, use this temporary passcode 460202147 You see, unlock. Okay, now you see it's working. Now it's locked. It cannot unlock. My temporary passcode, you see, is same thing I generate from the Tuya Bluetooth page. But my Bluetooth is disabled. So this is can offline to send to generate the temporary passcode from the Tuya Bluetooth page. So hope it makes sense for all of you guys.